Hello. Now you mark your attendance. Okay, then now start the third unit. Okay. Hello. Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is now start third unit of the industrial waste treatment. This is a pollution in coal waste, a DRI. How to pollute from coal? Okay, means pollution generated from the steel plant, power plant. Okay, power based. This is the coal based pollution. This is the directly DRI में directly reduced to iron. Okay, so this is the coal based pollution. The coal based pollution generated from the two types of industry generally is the steel plant and the power plant. Okay, there are two power plants generated for the electricity and the start boiler, or they use the coal. Okay, then nowadays DRI, the directly reduced iron, is a method of producing solid iron from iron oxide. This is the image of the iron oxide. Okay, this is the DRI method, the direct reduced iron. The iron from iron ore can be. Okay, this is iron from iron ore can be, this is solid form or in the molten form. Hello, any question? Iron,
Sir.
okay, iron from the iron ore can be. This is again two types of form, is a solid form and the molten form. This solid form is the iron ore can be DRI producing coal based kilns. एक one equipment is available in the power plant, kiln. Okay, so kiln, this type of equipment used in the power plant and the steel plant. So kiln is the generator the highly, okay, highly fly ash. Okay, the DRI producing coal based kilns, SBI produced in gas based link, and the DRI does not need cooking coal at all. Okay, the direct reduced iron is not need for the cooking coal at all. This is in the molten form. In molten form, iron can be produced in the blast furnace. You already known blast furnace. What is the blast furnace? Anyone known about the blast furnace? Anyone explain? You all are known blast furnace. What is blast furnace? No. Is the blast furnace?
Yes, sir.
What? The
No
blast?
idea, sir.
No idea. Okay. This blast furnace is the metallurgical furnace. This is used for the smelting the produce in the steel metal. Okay, such as iron and others such as the lead, copper. These are the used for the smelting. Okay, smelting the ore. Use the as a metallurgical furnace used for the smelting to produce in the steel metal. Okay, the use for the blast furnace. Need coking coal. Steroid corex can use significant quantities of the non-coking coal but cannot be do away with in totally. This is the two type of form the iron ore in the solid form and the molten form. In molten form, use the blast furnace and smelting to produce the industrial metal. Okay, this is the iron form, iron ore. Okay, then now DRI is preferred in India because of the DRI reduced iron is the preferred in India because of the first one is a small scale of production. Okay, and second is access to iron ore, and third is the paucity of coking coal in India. The years between 2004 to 5 and 9 to 10, the DRI production in India has increased by 24%. In 2004 and 4 to 5 and 9 to 10. Okay, direct reduced iron production in India has increased by 24% as a compared to only 8% for steel. Okay, and the steel production through the coking coal growth, the production growth in only 5.5%. Okay, in 2 years between 4 to 5 and 9 to 10, as mostly more increased India in 24%. The DRI in compared to the steel, the maximum is the generated from the power plant. Okay, and the steel power plant is compared to 8%. So more than how much? Okay, the for steel produced through the coking coal route. This is the only production growth is only 5.5%. The India 27% for all steel produced through the coal DRI. Direct iron, so direct reduced iron. In India, 27% of all steel is produced through the DRI. Okay, from DRI, steel produced 27% in India, and 7% of all steel is produced through the gas DRI, and 20% is the through the scrap route. Okay,
DRI मतलब होता क्या है?
direct reduced iron. This is the from the use of the DRI. This is the DRI is coal, just like coal. In your Jharkhand is the Chandwa block. Is the many DRI is available. Currently, DRI this coal block is provided to the Jharkhand government to the this company. Company is name is forget. Is this company situated in the Lohardaga? Okay, there is a Birla Group company. This company name is forget. Currently, is the Chandwa block DRI all coal block is to the produce to the sorry directly tender to goes to the Birla Group companies. Okay, 54% of Indian steel is the, through the non-blast furnace route. Okay, this is the non-blast furnace route. This is the ESP. Okay. So this means that DRI segment is a vital concept of the steel industries. Only 54% Indian steel is through the non-blast furnace route. Hello. Sorry, now audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This. Then India is the. Hello. India is the world largest producer of DRI, this is a direct reduced iron. India produced 28 million tons of DRI in 2010. And I guess 57 million tons of global production. Okay, out of the 57 million ton all over world, only 28 million ton of the DRI in 2010 in India produced. This is a comparison of the all over the world. Okay, only all over world the 57 million tons produced. In up to out of 57 million, only 28 million ton DRI produced by the India in 2010. In countries the very large. The DRI produced and consumed locally being unstable in composition. Okay, the DRI cannot be exported out of the transported over long distance. This is factory are located close to raw material sources. You already seen all types of industry situated in the location nearest of the raw material. Okay, suppose you Chandwa site is a Klorba. The nearest Asia and Abhijit group is situated in the Sarakmand axis of the 10 kilometer around. Okay, not more than the 50 kilometer, 60 kilometer. The plant is not properly run. Okay, the all plants are set up in the between location is the very nearest, not in long distance, close to the raw material sources. In India map, all are the DRI produced in Punjab, Jharkhand. In Jharkhand is the number of factories 37, capacity is 2.4 MTPA, million ton per annum. This is the capacity is produced as steel is million ton per annum 2.4. Okay, number of factories 37. Now 37 factories run in Jharkhand. Anyone idea? Give the idea. Currently, the current situation in numbers factory, how much factories run?
सर कोरोना टाइम आई थिंक सो एक भी कंपनी नहीं चल रहा होगा सर क्योंकि ये अननेसेसरी है.
Okay, actually currently the many power plants is the closed due to the coal block. Suppose that the Abhijit Group, HR, Adhunik, all are the closed due to the some reason. Reason is the coal block. Jharkhand government not provide the coal for this company, but only Tata Steel is run. Okay, and Godda is the Adani run and currently. And the second one is the Adhunik is the Jharkhand. Sorry, Jamshedpur. This the these places. Now then the Jamshedpur Aditipur. Usha Martin. This 5, 6, 7, 8 companies are run properly, but not in the 37. Only 30 companies are closed. Number of factory 37 run, then the 2.4 million ton per annum is the produce the iron, steel, sorry. The Punjab number of factories is 1, capacity is 0.12. In West Bengal, number of factories 57, capacity is 4.2. In West Bengal, run, all factories run. In Odisha, 1108 is the very much company situated in Odisha. Angul, many factories are set up in the Angul. Okay, the Chhattisgarh 68, Maharashtra in 66, Andhra Pradesh 11, Tamil Nadu 2, Karnataka 39, and Goa is 1. So this state are the set up the many types of companies and the produce the 1.8, 0.03, 0.66 million ton per annum steel produced from the DRI, direct reduced iron. Okay. Then what is the DRI process? The DRI process, the first raw material, partly coal, iron ore, flux enter the rotary kiln. The rotary kiln and the preheating zone or the combustion zone where coal is the heated. Okay, then the rotary kiln 2.5% low and 0.4 RPM running per meter speed. Then goes to the flue gas. Okay, then goes to the afterburn chamber. Then the rotary kiln 2.5 slope from the remainder coal in the powdered form and hot air is charged. Then rotary kiln 2.5% slope and 0.47 RPM speed. Then now the solid iron and the unburnt charred lime is discharged. Okay, last one is the cooler discharge product separator used. So this is the DRI process. The first one is start from the raw material preheating. Okay, then goes to the rotary kiln. What is the slope and what is the speed of the rotary kiln? Okay. Okay. Then now flue gas after burn chamber. Then the coal in the powder form in the hot air charged. Then solid iron and unburnt. Okay, the line is the discharge. Last is the cooler discharge and product separator. The product is separate. So this is the DRI process. Okay, how to use. Okay.
सर
हाँ या
वो जो हेल्प कर रहा है यहाँ पे बर्न करने में या फिर कोल उसके साथ ही मिक्स हो रहा है
किसमें
वो रॉ मटेरियल सर
raw material
फर्स्ट वन
not it is the raw material how to comes from the raw material this is a raw material this made as a chamber raw materials partially coal iron ore flux enter the rotary kiln this all our enter the this is raw material from the how much found where to found the raw material okay then this start from the preheating zone this is the start from the preheating zone combustion zone where the coal is heated okay then after the raw material enter the combustion zone this the coal is heated then is the enter the rotary kiln there is a 2.5% slope and a 0.47 running rpm speed okay all raw material correct in the raw material partially coal in this chamber okay then after some material transfer to the combustion zone then is coal is heated then after transfer to the rotary kiln then flue gas after burn okay then coal is powder form in the hot air charged then solid iron then last one is separate this is the DI process इसको हम लोग एक्चुअली इसको बोला kiln used in the steel plant not in the used in the power plant kiln is the used in the steel plant is a very dangerous zone kiln this is a very dangerous zone kiln all the very much dust flow into this in this system the rotary kiln places okay so this is the DRI process of the use the many types of power plants sorry steel plant How to use direct reduced iron process. So this is the process, is a flow chart. You are not understand for this. You all seen the steel plant, then you clearly visible, then clearly understand for this type of plant. Okay, this is a many types of plants, many types of items used in a steel plant. Then you after last one is the produce the steel. Anyone visit the steel plant during the diploma times and BTech times? Anyone visit? No. Anyone visit the power plant? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Anyone visit the steel plant?
No, sir. नहीं गए हैं.
Okay. चलो okay. This is the one is the first when you start a stack. The stack means the part of the chimney. Okay. Then the ESP. Okay. There is a turbine. There is a substation. Okay. The turbine generated the electricity. Okay. This is all the it is ore, cold, dolo. This is DRI. Okay. So all DRI is the enter in the stack. Then is the ESP. ESP is the generator from the generate the flyers. Okay, this is the rotary cooler. This all types of this type of item is the steel plant items. Okay, this is a part of the steel plant. Okay, the last is the waste generation. Okay, so these are the part of the steel plant. So how to DRI may use the DRI method.
PCC मतलब means
PCC.
अच्छा.
This is the PCC block. This is part of the secondary. Suppose this is the part of the boiler. Okay, actually turbine. How to run the turbine? Any idea? How to run the turbine? The turbine run through the boiler. This is in the boiler. The water transfer to the boiler. Treated water transfer to the boiler. The boiler generate the vapor. So this boiler has had many types of tube, just like this. Just like this. These all are the tubes. Okay. Then tubes generate the boiler generate the vapor run to the turbine. A turbine run then generate the electricity. This is the part of the power plant. So all types of the steel plant are power plants. Without power plant, not run the steel plant. First, you set up the power plant. How to generate the electricity? So first you generate the electricity, then you run the steel plant. Okay. The any type of first start the stack chimney, then chimney as directly transfer to the ESP. Okay. The ESP all as converted to the fly ash. Currently produce the fly ash bricks. Okay. In current in Jharkhand, red bricks is banned. There is many much more quantities that day to day generate the fly ash bricks. The from fly ash material comes from the steel plant, from the Tata Steel and the Alonic. Okay. The ESP is the generator the fly ash from the receive the ash of the coal. Okay, then run the boiler to then run the turbine then run the what is the electricity. This is the part of the power plant. Then run the steel plant. Okay, this is some part of the steel plant. Actually, I already visit the power plant, but I have not visit the steel plant. So all about the power plant's parts. This chimney, ESP, okay, boiler, turbine. This is the major part of the power plant. Then one part is the WTP area. Okay, WTP. WTP means water treatment plant. This is the main parts of the power plant. The very important parts. Without WTP, not run the boiler. Okay, why? Boiler need the neutralized water. Okay, the neutralized water of it where comes from? From the WTP. Okay, WTP is a very big project. Not is a small project, very big project, WTP area. Okay, one is the major part WTP. Okay, then one is this part. So this is a very big project, WTP area. In the WTP area, many types of project available. This is a cooling tower. Anyone idea about the cooling tower? DM plant. Okay, DM plant. Demineralized plant इसको बोलते हैं. This is a cooling tower. After the boiler, transfer to the hot water in the cooling tower. The cooling tower is the for generate the cold water. Okay, from boiler enter the water, hot water 57 degrees Celsius enter. Okay, the hot water. Then after cooling tower, generate the water is the how much? 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. Converted to the water is cold. Okay, any doubt? This is circulate. Okay, but first you face the WTP area. In WTP area, the raw water comes from the river, any rivers. Okay, then pass to the WTP water treatment process. Okay, first is the step to follow the WTP process. Then water transfer to DM plant. Okay, then DM plant to the cooling tower. Okay, then cooling tower to the water reservoir to boiler, boiler to cooling tower to the reservoir. This process cycle is the run. Okay, so this is the part of the power plant and the steel plant. Any doubt?
सर
Yeah.
अगर हम लोग न्यूट्रलाइज वाटर ना लेके नॉर्मल वाटर ले तो कॉस्ट सर हाई हो जाएगा.
कॉस्ट हाई हो जाएगा किस चीज का? किसका कॉस्ट हाई हो जाएगा?
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या फिर जिस चीज पे भी हम लोग यूज करेंगे.
एक्चुअली जो बॉयलर है, जो वाटर है हम लोग का, जो हम लोग रिवर वाटर लेते हैं, डायरेक्ट रॉ वाटर लेंगे, यूज करेंगे, तो उसमें तो बहुत सारा कंटामिनेट वाटर, मतलब उसमें बहुत सारा ओर्स अवेलेबल होगा, उसमें बहुत सारा केमिकल्स भी अवेलेबल होगा ना उसमें. उसका हार्डनेस ज्यादा होगा, पीएच ज्यादा होगा या पीएच कम होगा, समथिंग. तो इससे क्या होगा डायरेक्ट? क्या बोलो?
यस सर.
तो इसमें क्या होगा, अगर तुम उसको यूज करोगे तो बॉयलर में वो बॉयलर ज्यादा टाइम रन नहीं कर पाएगा, क्योंकि जो बॉयलर का जो ट्यूब है एकदम, दिस इज द ट्यूब, अगर उसमें वो हॉट करे, उसे हीट करने से क्या होगा, उसका जितना भी उसका ओर्स, उसमें जो भी आयरन होगा, वो सारा जितना आयरन होगा कहाँ पे वो सेटल हो जाएगा? इन ट्यूब, इन द ट्यूब लेयर, मेक द ट्यूब लेयर. जो ट्यूब का जो भी साइड में होगा सब में सेटल हो जाएगा. तो उससे क्या होगा, मतलब आफ्टर सम टाइम वो तुम्हारा रस्ट हो जाएगा या वो चौक हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जो ट्यूब है वो चौक हो जाएगा. तो फिर हम लोग फिर से उसको इंस्टॉल करते हैं. बॉयलर इज अ वेरी बिग पार्ट. हमेशा इसको रन करने के लिए इसको हमेशा तुम इसको यूज करके तुम इसको फिर से रिमूव करो, फिर से उसको इंस्टॉल करो. दिस इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. एक बार सेटअप होता है, दिस इज लॉन्ग टाइम.
यस सर.
ओके, इसलिए पहले वाटर या
सस्पेंडेड सॉलिड हटा के, मतलब केवल
नो
सस्पेंडेड
नो
सॉलिड।
नो नो नो, हमारे सस्पेंडेड सॉलिड जितना भी उसमें कटायन आयन जो भी अवेलेबल है, जब न्यूट्रलाइज्ड वाटर यूज होता है, तो न्यूट्रलाइज the neutral water used in the boiler. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the paths of iron and gas, the DRI route and recent gas route. Okay. The for raw material, yard, crusher skinner, rotary kiln. Okay. Recuperator, cooler discharge, product separator, a stock house, and loading pointed trucks. These are the DRI route. Follow these 9 points. Okay, and there is a reactant gas route, rotary kiln discharge or the combustion end, and the gas condition tower, after burn chamber, gas clean plant, dust settling chamber, waste heat recovery boiler, and this is a stack. So this is the path of the iron and gas. These are two types, DRI route and the reactant gas route. Okay, the DRI route is the raw material, and the reactant gas route is the after the burning, the rotary kiln, okay, dust settling, all other use the after burning. This is the reactant gas route. Okay, input output in DRI plant. Okay, this is the data, how much input, how to output. Okay, this is the matters, solid and air. Okay, this is the input in soil input in the 6 to 20 mm size iron ore. This is a 1500 kg. Okay, coal is a 0 to 3 mm, that's 300 kg. Coal 3 to 15 mm, this is 700 kg, and limestone is a 0 to 3 mm. These are all a size. These are solid parts of the DRI. The iron ore, coal, and limestone. Okay, and the output is the from the use of solid parts. Okay, the sponge iron plus 3 mm is 790 kg. 1 to 3 mm. Okay, these are 200 kg. Iron 1 mm minus 1 mm. Sorry, 1 mm is 50 kg. Char plus 3 mm is 30 kg. And the 1 to 3 mm is 75 kg, and the char is 1 mm is 185 kg. So these are the use the this type of iron ore, coal, and limestone. Output is the this type of the ore. Okay, just like air, energy is GCL, Calorie, and the 600 Newton per MQ. Then output is the 6,000 and 5,000 Newton per MQ. The coal equal to 6. This type of ores is available. This is from the output. Okay, this is the input output variable as a per ton of the DRI. That is every per ton. This is how much. This much is the output. This much is the input. Okay, in the solid form and in air form. Also, DRI is a polluting industry. This is the DRI industries. Air, water, solid waste containing mainly PM, particulate matter, HO2, NOx, and CO around the ambient environment. Okay, this is the pollution from the DRI. Okay, they go in this first image show in air pollution. This is a particulate matter flow in the water, 2.5 and size is 10. The 10 is a settle on the second image. PM10 is the big particles from the 2.5. The big particles settle in the leaves, plants leaves. Okay, and the show under the ground. But 2.5 is the move in the air. Okay, this is the big air pollution generated from the DRI. Okay, so there are many types of wastes generated from the air, water, and solid waste generated. Garbage factors for a ton of a sponge iron unit. The input in tons and the output in tons. This is the iron unit garbage factor 1.6 to 1.75 iron ore. Then your output is a ton 1.8 to 2 carbon dioxide. Okay, then the 1.2 to 1.5 is the cold in ton. The output is dust is the 0.25. Okay, this type of generator for pollution. The CO2 is the pollution, dust is pollution, coal char is pollution. This is 0. Kiln aeration is the pollution. Sulfur dioxide with water vapor is the pollution. Okay, this type of use the input items, then output the metals of pollution. Okay, this is the generated from the iron unit. Then now source of air pollution, you already all are known how much what is the source of air pollution. That is process and fugitive. What is the fugitive? Anyone? No. This is a process you already know you about the fugitive. Fugitive is the always run, but always flow. Okay, this means the fugitive. This is a process like combustion of coal in the preheating zone is called kiln. Is a process first, and second oxidation of the iron ore in the process zone is the oxidation part, and the flue gas from the kiln through the upper end. The upper end means kiln, through the upper end flue gas. The flue gas flow on the upper end of the kiln. This is around of the atmosphere. A dust of charred, unburnt lime, sulfur, aluminium, and others through the discharge end. And the flue gas through the cap of the afterburn chamber. And the particular matter from the ESP. So PM, particular matter of the air pollution, is from the ESP. Okay, this is the process of the source of air pollution. How to generate the air pollutant. The process, these are the process. Okay, the fugitive raw material handling in a feeding area. How to raw material handle. A separator, discharge in the cooler discharge, product separator, and work area of plant. Okay. Then now the dust collection center. This is the location, this is the nomenclature. The location is the for raw material storage yard. This is the nomenclature is stock house. This is the collects from the stock house. And the coal is crushed in the charging as powder. This is a coal crusher. Iron only crush the feet 5 to 16 mm size iron crusher. So these are the all are the place means nomenclature. This is a location. Okay, the raw material sent to plant. This is the called the transfer point. A sponge iron is cooled by the spraying water. This is a cooler discharge. And the sponge iron rest before skinning and separation is the intermediate being. And the sponge iron separated from the chair is the production separation. And the product stock is the product house. So these are the nomenclature. This is the location of the dust collection center. Norms of air pollution. This is the net of the crusher. Crusher is the main type of generate the air pollutants. Process is 100 milligram per Newton per mg for the CPCB. Construction power the lower side 6 milligram. This is the conductor. You saw the Karnataka 69 milligram for the Chhattisgarh. That's 42 milligram per the Newton per mg. These are norms of air pollution. Source of water consumption and pollution. Source of water consumption and pollution. Water consumption, rotary can cooler, cooler discharge, gas cooling. This is the water consumption in a steel plant. There is a rotary kiln cooler discharge under the gas cooling. This water is circulating water in the chains of the water which is used to cool the kiln and again used to cool the cooler of soil discharge, and flue gas make of water is kept in the reserve. So this is the water consumption used. Water is used for the cool the kiln. Actually, run. Okay, kiln regularly run. Then is the hot. So the water used for the